has graduated into an extremely severe cyclonic storm. Now alerts have been issued by the weather department to fisher folks across the coastline here in Mumbai, from where the cyclone is only moving away and is currently at 540 kilometers from the coast of Mumbai. The impact can still be felt. We are at the gateway of India, where high tide coupled with cyclonic winds have been leading to heavy kind of tidal action and also to some rainfall, which was an onset of monsoon as well. Since last evening, we have seen severe gusty winds across Mumbai, which have affected several operations, including the flight operations. Late last night, Air India as well tweeted saying that it has had to cancel some flights and postpone few due to the climatic conditions, coupled with some of the other factors like closure of a runway. Normal life continues in Mumbai otherwise, but clearly some northern suburbs of Mumbai have been lashed due to rainfall, due to the cyclonic action. As of now, the weather department has predicted that the cyclone, the extremely severe cyclonic storm, will make a landfall between Kutch and Karachi on 15th of June, by when it will only intensify further as it has been gathering winds, and it is likely that people who are staying in the coastal area will get affected. We saw the horrible visuals yesterday from Ganpatipure, where the famous tourist destination in Maharashtra saw that several tourists had to run to safety after the sea suddenly swelled up and entered into the land area. Today as well, we are seeing several places showing high tidal activity across Mumbai, when there has been a high tide. As of now, an orange alert has been issued for several coastal areas of Gujarat and Maharashtra. The NDRF has been pressed into service. The Prime Minister is also taking stock of the situation, even as the administration says that it is gearing up for the landfall of the extremely severe cyclonic storm, which is going to happen on the 15th of June. All those residing on the coastline of Gujarat and Maharashtra have been told to stay aware and to stay away from the sea. In fact, the fisher folks have also been told to stay away from the seashore and from the sea for the coming few days, till the extremely severe cyclonic storm makes a landfall somewhere between Kutch and Karachi within the next 2 to 3 days. That is slated to happen by 15th of June now.